you bird.
Uncle, you are crocodile, right?
No, 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 no. I'm not crocodile. I'm human being.
Uncle, why are you so funny?
Yeah, you funny too. I like it.
Uncle, may I know what's your old?
Huh?
May I know what's your old?
My old.
Yes.
I 80.
80? Wow, so older. 80?
Yes, 80.
What? Kung kung how?
Kung Kung Hao. Yes, Kung Kung Hao.
Kung kung how?
Ah, say, wait.
I'm a crocodile boy and the girl next to you a princess. Haha, really crocodile boy?
I see in Google.
See what, uncle?
Bahasa Chinese-nya kaum mirip artis. Ah, Zhang Deheng Xiang Ming Xing.
Huh?
Do you understand?
No.
Zhang Deheng Xiang Ming Xing.
Xin?
Yes, mixing.
Oh, Tentoma. Really, uncle?
Yes, really no.
Ah.
I swear,
Yes,
yes.
yeah.
Answer, speak English.
The girls next to you is so busy. Yes and no. Her not busy. Cause you are crocodile boy done with my cousin.
Is that your cousin?
Yes, uncle.
Oh, but you.
Uncle. Uncle,
Nah.
do you know in my live comment have a crocodile boy
What? What they say?
in my life in my phone.
Yes.
One people see my life is a boy, but he is a crocodile boy.
Oh, he is a crocodile boy, not me, eh?
Yes, uncle. Crocodile.
Me, crocodile boy?
No, this
Yo.
boy in my life.
Oh, in your room, the boy in your room. Oh, yeah. Ayah habis sudah kuno kuwi nak waktu sih. Hey. Hello.
Yes, uncle.
Why you so pretty?
Really,
Your face is white, your nose is white, your teeth is white, your hand is white, your finger is white. Why?
Oh, really?
Really? I'm really.
Are you sure, uncle?
Yeah, sure.
You lying, uncle?
Why?
Uncle, do you know so many crocodile boy in my life?
Ah. Crocodile is how old is crocodile boy?
What?
How old is crocodile boy?
Maybe 15, 16, 14.
Wes older.
Yeah. Younger, uncle, younger.
Oh, younger. Okay.
Uncle,
Ah,
do
wait.
you know crocodile?
Yes, I know crocodile.
Crocodile boy is so many girlfriend.
Yes. Oh, girlfriend.
So
And
many,
you
uncle.
korban crocodile boy? Do you know
What?
korban? Do you know korban? Wait, I check in Google. Bahasa Chinese korban cinta. Alkinder Schauheiser.
什么？
Alkinder Schauheiser.
再说一遍，再说一遍。
Dah Sofian.
嗯
Ah.
What, uncle? What do you say? What you say?
Are you broken heart about crocodile boy?
Oh,
Yeah.
of course, uncle.
Of course.
My heart.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, uncle, my heart's so broken.
You broken heart with crocodile boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So many crocodile boy.
Yes.
Where I have many
Are
women
you ever kiss in crocodile boy?
kissing.
Yes. Why? Why?
Cause crocodile boy is so many girlfriend.
You looking for man just one girlfriend? Wait, do you have man just you girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Yang is her working?
No. Hey, yeah,
No.
working.
Working. Where is your Chinese then?
What?
Where is your Chinese? Where is you Chinese?
Shanghai.
Shanghai. Do you know Dilraba Dilmurat?
Yeah, I know.
You know Dilraba Dilmurat?
Dilaba.
Dilaba Dilmurat?
Yeah, I know.
Is very pretty woman, yeah. Dilraba.
You like her?
Yes, I like the movie and the fish. I like it.
Uncle, do you want cookies?
Huh? Cookies? Cookies what? Cookies chocolate?
Yes, this chocolate cookie.
I like it. I want to see you eat chocolate. Nice. Nice. You good speak English.
You too, uncle.
I'm not. No. Good, not good speak English. Marsamburetan katanya. Yeah, my speak English is not good, and your English is very good. Are you teach in study English in your school?
No, uncle. I'm so lazy to school.
Why lazy? What are you doing in your home?
Huh?
What are you doing in home? Why do lazy?
I'm in home. I'm sleeping, uncle.
Sleeping? We sleeping? Why you sleeping but not fat? Yeah, not fat.
Oh,
Rich. Your parent is rich?
yes.
I don't believe.
Uncle,
Oi.
do you have girlfriend, uncle?
No.
Do you have wife?
Yes.
Uncle, do you want my cousin?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
She just sleeping.
Uncle,
Oi.